Last man. Hey, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Hey, put this shit on your story, folks. Alright, bet. Bro.
Come on, go.
Alright, bet I'm finna do the TikTok. Come on, hurry up. What is it? Are you ready? You ready, folks? 3, 2, 1. Oh! Damn. Bro. I don't know if that was busting or not. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. Bro, it's wet than a motherfucker, bro. We getting our ass rained on, G. I ain't gonna cap to you. J-Dog, sister, what you want, folks? I miss you, folks. When y'all last gonna come see me, man? Y'all ass is some goofballs. What y'all on though, man? My shit finna die. And I'm downtown with it. And it's fucking finna be a tornado in this bitch. And it's cold as fuck in fucking McDonald's. I ain't know it was raining, that's why I ain't bring no umbrella. Can y'all hear me? Y'all can hear me? Anyway, shorty. Who trying to get at it? Zoe, what you on, folks? Oh shit, I ain't gonna lie to you. We assed out in this bitch, ain't we? We gotta call a lift, but I don't trust these lift drivers, shorty. They ass cannot drive in this. We gonna die. I ain't gonna say that.
Damn.
Oh shit. I ain't mean to say that. We ain't gonna die. We gonna live. But I ain't gonna lie to you. This ain't it. This ain't the move, shorty. They said go to Atlanta. Hey, nigga, I tour date, nigga. I will tour, nigga. Damn. Your boys could. Oh shit. Oh, we got some real Chicago. Wow, I can probably throw that. Oh, fall out. Anyway, I'm assed out, shorty. Shorty. Somebody just put that shit. Hey, I just like that shit. Hey, one of y'all just bust y'all shit. I got that shit, shorty. What you want? What you want? Hey, right here. Hey, shout out. Hey, go fuck with them, boy. You already know that. Hey, we just got our shit ran on. One of them just bust they shit too. Hey, where y'all coming from? Hey, I'm finna get up out of this. I ain't fucking. Shit dangerous as hell. I can't even call no lip on for none of them drivers, so I ain't gonna lie to you.
But I have no Instagram, King_Fat.
Y'all already know what it is, man. We do this bitch. Hey, y'all stay safe too. It's cold as hell, and I ain't going back in there. Phone up. Yeah, but it's a tornado through this bitch. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Some shit. Hey, I'm finna take her umbrella.
Hey, oh, she call me. Hey, I'm your Instagram.
Hey, y'all heard though, nigga. Hey, I need me an umbrella through this bitch, folks.
Big HB around this motherfucker.
Hell nah, son. Hey, we gotta get about this bitch. I ain't gonna lie. You trying to run to another store?
What?
But we got to. You don't understand what's going on. We gotta get through this bitch, right? Oh! Oh, shit! We all... Oh, shit! Oh!
What do, little shawty?
Can y'all hear me? Y'all can hear me through this bitch, I ain't gonna lie. We assed out, folks. Zoe, what you on for? We assed out in this bitch, G. God damn. Oh, shit. And I know they ass finna start tweaking because I'm in front of their restaurant. You know how fucking Chicago get. They be on that ignorant shit. Woo! Hey, what was your phone on?
3.
Bro, my shit on 3 too.
We gotta go back in there.
Hey, I'm finna take this nigga umbrella. Give me your motherfucking umbrella, nigga. No, it's not.
We on his ass.
We on his ass where his umbrella at. Fuck you, time. Oh, shit. But I ain't gonna lie, y'all. We through this bitch. It's raining. I'm assed out. His phone on 3. My phone on 3. And I'm on the line talking to y'all ass.
That's how you know he love y'all, man. Make
Y'all-
sure y'all send some badges, man, so we get us a list.
Right, man. Y'all can hear me? They can't even hear me, G.
We can't hear.
Y'all can hear me? Y'all can hear me? My fucking shoes! How you doing? Hey, man.
I hear you.
Run, Forrest, run.
Nobody feels like us.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. We is assed out in this motherfucking folk. Like, what the fuck? Take on, bro. Take our shit. 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 I ain't gonna lie, bro. We drenched. Your phone finna die for real?
Yeah.
My phone finna die for real. My phone finna die.
You think?
Bro, my
Yeah.
shit, like my shit, damn, my shit glitching. Ah, now it's shit in my eye. Hey, send help. SOS. 911, nah, fuck 12. SOS. Send help. We threw this bitch assed out. We in the rack. We is downtown. Assed out. It's over. It's over.
In a minute, I'm about to take somebody umbrella for real, folks.
Right, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna take somebody umbrella for real. Y'all thought we was playing. I'm dead ass, shorty. I ain't gonna lie to you. I need to get the fuck up out of here.